Hi, welcome to another Leader tutorial. In this video, we're diving into one of our key features, Google Ads integration. First, let's answer a simple but important question. What is Google Ads integration? Google Ads integration is a direct connection between Leader and your Google Ads data in real time. It helps you see your advertising spend and return on investment in real time, and train the Google Ads algorithm with offline conversions, so your campaigns keep getting smarter and more profitable. Now, let's walk through setting up your Google Ads integration. From the main menu, click Google Ads, Connections. Here you'll see the Google Ads Connection section. Choose the client or brand you want to connect. In this example, we'll select Demo Brand. Next, edit the connection name. For example, my demo brand Google Ads Connection. Then, enter your Google Ads account ID. When you're ready, click Create a Connection to Google Ads. A Google pop-up will appear asking you to choose the account you want to connect. Select your account. Then click Allow to approve the connection. After authorization, Leader will confirm. Google Ads account successfully connected. The pop-up closes automatically, and your new connection appears under Active Connections. To manage how each client is connected to Google Ads, click Settings. Under Connection Library, you can see your clients and their Google Ads connections. Next, enable Sync Spend. This allows you to clearly see how much you spend and how much you earn, and track profitability down to the keyword level. Now, enable Sync Conversions. This allows you to train the Google Ads algorithm to find more real customers, not just leads. Click the settings icon to configure your conversion events. Here you can choose which events to send to Google Ads. Entry events include new leads, such as form submissions or phone calls. Sales process events represent steps like meetings, quotes, or trial signups based on the statuses you define for your business in Leader. Sales outcomes represent deal-related statuses, where actual revenue is reported, also based on the statuses you define. For each event, you can define the conversion name, category, and default value. When a deal is closed, the real revenue is automatically sent to Google Ads. Click Save and Sync to apply your settings. Your conversions will be created and updated in Google Ads automatically. That's it! You're now ready to measure real performance and train the Google Ads algorithm to achieve better business results. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials on how to make your advertising more measurable and profitable with Leader.